everyone. In our last class, we looked at the rules to solving physics questions easily. Today, we are going to be looking at common units in physics questions. Now, you might be wondering, how will I now know the quantity that we are given in the question whenever we are given a calculation question? That is why this video is here. One of the most common units that you come across in physics questions is m. You see a value and then you see m written at the back of it. This m means meter. It means meter, and it is used to represent quantities like length, breadth, height, distance, displacement, wavelength, radius, and even range. Length, breadth, and height can be used when we are looking for area and volume, while distance and displacement has to do with topics like motion. Wavelength has to do with topics like wave. Then radius has to do with topics that include a circle. And lastly, range, when we're talking about projectiles. Now, knowing these quantities alone will not solve the question. Also, knowing what used in representing them is a good one. When you see length, we use L to represent it. When you see breadth, we use B to represent it. When you see height, we use H to represent it. Distance and displacement, we use S to represent them. Wavelength, we use lambda to represent it. Radius, we use small letter r to represent it. And lastly, range, we use capital letter R to represent it. I hope we've learned something today. See you in the next class.